up. Tryna get older, make Goldie and tell them the green is with us. I made a deal with some wretches, diamonds we dripping tonight. One tip, I'm here with the sisters, meaning we killing the night. All of my ego disastrous. Came in the game like I'm Captain Okay. Yes, I'm on toes, I ain't talking ballet. Niggas don't dance, tailing back all the way. Tipping my tongue until short him kalen. This ain't no year for some has-beens. Don't check my pooza, what happened? You snitched, they buy you a casket. Big crew, they bring all the action. Schema baba. Tapping and tapping, then slaying. Yetla le chivas baba. No change, so fuck the reaction. I'm a Caesar baba. Okay. She told me we had to flat in India, we know Chanam. Man, no change, so fuck the reaction. Tryna get over my life. Tryna get a beat, no sweat it. What they talking about in the street like. And wanna slide like a small roller. And wanna slide like a small roller. Spitting in good, you say small roller. Spitting in good, you say small roller. And wanna slide like a small roller. And wanna slide like a small roller. Spitting in good, you say small roller. Spitting in good, you say small roller. Hey. Endwana 2 chains for Bukidex lab. Hey, Sidley Mali Octane. And we ain't going home till the full case covered. Hey, who's it as a auction? And niggas wanna dip, but we still going in. It goes fuck a juice, fuck a gin. And we don't give a fuck who Bakuba's cuts in. Man, we don't give a fuck who Bakuba's cuts in. Bakwelenge tazi, bakwelenge skelam. Guskimu no skimu, I promise they wretched. My memya mita feel it, kwalele kasels. Is mame no shizi, bakka make it. I'm still. Most of them here for some rebounds. Others wanna slang when we leave how. Need to shop a strat for some sleep now. You ain't sleeping here, girl, you ain't gone. And wanna slide like a small roller. Spitting in good to say small roller. Spitting in good to say small roller. Spitting in good to say. And wanna slide like a small roller. And wanna slide like a small roller. Spitting in good to say small roller. Spitting in good to say small roller. And wanna slide like a small roller. And wanna slide like a small roller. Spitting in good to say small roller. Spitting in good to say small roller.
Yo, CBT Underworld, you know it's your boy Oasis. And as you just saw before, the Real Satyr performed the track called Smoke Already, and it was fire. If you like that shit, comment. If you didn't subscribe yet, please do so you can see more fire. So let's get it back to you, bro. Yo, where did inspiration come from for all the music, bro? Because that track is dope. So where did you get it from?
My inspiration, I think it comes from everything that I do. Everywhere that I'm in, where I breathe. It's just a vibe with the people, and my music just comes from everywhere I'm at. It's like that, yeah. Everywhere I'm at, I pick up different sounds, I pick up different slangs. So I try to put that in my music to just bring the vibe that I was in. It's more like telling you when I was at a party, so kind of make you feel there.
Okay, that's dope, bro. So if you have to go into the game, in the industry now, and choose an artist to make a feature with locally first, let's ask you that locally. Who would you make a feature with locally?
Locally, a feature, definitely a Nati or JR.
Nati or JR.
Yeah, between the two.
Between the two. And then if you had to go international, who would your artist be?
International, Flip. There's a lot to choose from. I think there's Donald Glover, Childish Gambino.
Childish Gambino. Okay, it's a heavy one.
Yeah, yeah, I think it's him.
Okay, yeah. That's dope, bro. So it shows that you're universal with your sound, bro. That's dope. So what makes you different to any other artist in Cape Town right now?
I don't know. I don't know what makes me different to another artist. I just put it there all in a song for the people to decide. Yeah. to decide on the music. And no lie, people will always have a picture of you behind the music if you don't even have a video or anything. They always have, this guy looks like this or he has this, and when they actually see, so it's a bit of a surprise because it's not what you imagined. So with everything that I do, I just let you, the listener, just interpret it how you want to.
So however we perceive it, that's how you take it. So you just relate. If you can relate to it, then it's dope.
Yeah,
that's fire, bro.
So
and
that's
your name.
Seda.
Seda. Where did that come from?
Seda comes from Sandiso. It's a nickname from Sandiso. The reason why the real Seda, because you know when you go to the internet, every username is taken.
Oh.
Yeah. So,
I know that.
I went on SoundCloud, Seda was taken. Instagram, Seda was taken. Twitter, Seda was taken. And I was like, let's settle for the real Seda then.
The real Seda, and that was the only one. Now it's not real Seda 1.1.
No.
It's just the real Seda.
Man.
You heard it. It's just the real Seda. Now I feel you there, bro. I have to do the same thing with my name. There's no steezy with Oasis anywhere on Google besides me. So yeah, best believe it. So as you heard, the real Seda, that's where you'll find him. We'll get his links in the description below. And if you like what he was doing, please again subscribe. Bro, I just want to say thank you. Yo, it was dope. Your performance was dope.
Thank you,
just
bro.
Like your energy come through what is dope. I really appreciate it, bro.
And
it was dope. Bro, if you're excited for the perform, the 30th of October, we perform. Remember that, right?
Right, yeah, I have the tickets.
You have the tickets. He has his tickets as well. So as you heard, there's gonna be a performance at the 30th of October as well. If you're ready for it, there's gonna be tickets out. If you want to get the tickets, hit the artist up. If you know him, you know, he will get you the tickets. $30. $30. Hey, 30 bucks. He knows it already. And ladies free all the time. And if you enjoyed that, you know, we're gonna bring you some more. That was your boy Oasis, and we out.
Endwana slala esimogolweni. Endwana slala esimogolweni. Siphethe nenguju sesimogolweni.
Yo everybody, don't forget to check us out on the 30th of October at the House of Rebels. We're gonna be live with all the artists of the season, so be ready for it.